There has never been a dull moment in the nation's domestic political scene the past few months. At the center of it all is the motion to impeach President Park Geun-hye as Koreans await the Constitutional Court's decision. Our Hwang Hojun shows us how the 8 court justices are preparing its verdict and highlight the variables that may impact the ruling.
The Constitutional Court is widely expected to rule on whether to uphold or reject the impeachment of President Park before March 13th, which is interim Chief Justice Lee Jung-mi's last day in office. With just 10 days to go until that date, the 8 justices met Friday morning for their 3rd judicial assembly on the matter and will continue to meet every weekday until they reach a verdict. They'll be reviewing evidence from the 17 hearings that began last December, more than 50,000 pages of investigation reports and testimony from 25 witnesses. The court will then deliberate over whether the president violated the Constitution and whether that violation was severe enough to remove her from office. To sustain the motion will require the support of at least 6 of the 8 justices. The ruling is final and irreversible. But with so many variables, it's too soon to predict what the court will do. The normally 9-member court already down to 8 after Chief Justice Park Geun-hye retired at the end of January, and another vacancy is coming up when acting Chief Justice Lee Jung-mi's term expires. Some argue the court is not complete and therefore can't make a fair ruling. And with tensions high over the impeachment case, some of the justices have received threats from both the pro and anti-Park sides. Because opinion is so divided, experts are raising concerns about what will happen afterwards, however the court decides to rule.
Law and principles are the most important. The president herself stressed law and principles. We don't know whether the court will uphold or reverse the impeachment motion. But the most important thing is that the ruling of the Constitutional Court is accepted, whatever the outcome.
Hwang Hojun, Arirang News.